got something, baby, that I can go without, just like a poison in me. You're all that I'm about, loving the highs, don't mind the lows.
Hi, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I am going to fix something that probably you've all made before, I'm sure. I don't know if you've made it out of leftovers, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a shepherd's pie today, and I'm going to make it out of leftovers. And I've heard that you don't say shepherd's pie anymore unless you use lamb in it. I'm always going to say shepherd's pie. That's what I was taught that it was when I was younger and growing up, and my mom would make it, and it's pretty much what I call it now. I'm not going to use any lamb to, so this is supposed to be cottage pie, but I'm not going to call it cottage pie. This is my shepherd's pie, and like I said, it'll always be my shepherd's pie. Alright, so I've cut up 1/2 of an onion there to put in with that ground beef, and I'm getting ready to cut up the other half. I've been working today trying to get my utensils. I got these box things that go on my shelf to put my utensils in. I'll show you in a little while. I just don't want to have to turn around now while I'm cutting this onion up. But y'all remember the other day, let's see, today is Saturday. On Thursday, I fixed the fried chicken for the collaboration. I fixed the fried chicken from Adrienne Marie, and I fixed the Brussels sprouts and fried chicken, Brussels sprouts, and mashed potatoes. Alright, and I didn't eat but just a little bit of my chicken that day, and I've got Brussels sprouts. I've got the whole thing of mashed potatoes. Y'all can't see, but the mashed potatoes are in here. I'm going to fix the shepherd's pie. I'm going to heat up these Brussels sprouts probably in the microwave. I'm going to take the meat off of this chicken, and I'm going to put it with the hamburger, and I'm going to make a shepherd's pie with hamburger and chicken in it. So, alright, so I cut up the other half of the onion, and I'm going to put that in here now. Let me get over here. And this, get this out. Alright. And it's Saturday now, and Teresa's not here today, and I'm going to go on, and I want something good and hot. And like I said, I didn't eat very much that day. I did eat some potatoes that day, and that's probably what ruined my appetite for the chicken and all. But I'm going to go on and get the chicken off of here, and off of the bone, and I've got to get some corn out and get some cheese out, and I will bring y'all back, and I'll show you how I do this. Okay, y'all. Alright, so here is the hamburger. It's got the chicken in it, and I had this seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. It's got Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. I put about a 1/2 teaspoon in there of that, and then I put the Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute. I put about a 1/2 teaspoon of that in there as well. And I'm trying, y'all. I am trying really hard to like some spices, and I'm trying to ease up. Give myself a little bit of garlic each time when I make something. I'll never like fresh garlic. I know that. But I can have roasted garlic or whatever it is. I can have a little bit of that and it'd be okay. Alright, so I'm letting this, I've got it on sear because I'm trying to make sure that the ground chuck, this is ground chuck or whatever, and it was like 1 1/4 pound of ground chuck was what this was. And I'm trying to make sure that it's cooked well. And then I opened a can of fresh cut Del Monte, fresh cut whole kernel corn. And as soon as I get all the grease out of here that I'm going to take out, I'm going to put the corn in here and let it warm up. Then I'm going to put, I got my Pioneer Woman casserole dish out. I'm going to cook it in the one that I got out will fit in my Ninja air fryer oven, so I'm going to put it in there with I'm going to put the hamburger and the corn first in the casserole dish, then the potatoes, then the cheese, and then put it in here. And I'll probably put it on 400, probably 375, 400 for 20 minutes. And I'll let y'all know if 20 minutes is long enough for this air fryer oven. Alright, so I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all. Alright, so I got as much grease out of it as I could. And I poured the 1 can, and I drained the corn, by the way. And I poured the 1 can in with the ground beef. And now I'm going to see if I can lift this. I hope so. Oh. Okay. Got it. Yes. I did good, y'all. Y'all can't even see around. I thought I turned y'all around. I hadn't even turned you around. Oh, my God. Y'all didn't even get to see me getting this pan out of there. Okay. Alright, now, because the potatoes are so cold, I'm just going to have to, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Let me see. I don't know whether to try to, I don't know. They're really, really cold and hard. And I'm sure that, it's gonna, I guess I'll just mash it up like that as I put it in. And I know y'all can't, let me see about, I know I've got y'all raised up. All right. This might take a while. Oh, no. This might take a while to heat up in the oven. Because these potatoes are so cold and I'm not used to making it like this. I don't think that I have ever, I think I've had hamburger and onions left and made mashed potatoes. I can't remember whether I've ever had any leftover mashed potatoes and made the, this with them, with the shepherd's pie. Alright, so let me see here. Let me make sure that I still got I've still got much potatoes left, but I'm not going to save them because I've had these out for a while, and to put them back in the refrigerator and cool them back down and then have to heat them back up again. Nah, I'm not going to do that. Alright. Now I'm going to, I think what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put this in there and let this get hot, and then once this gets hot, then I'll put the cheese in there. I've got sharp cheddar, shredded sharp cheddar cheese that I could put on there. But like I said, I'm going to put this in my Ninja air fryer oven. And I'm going to put it on, I think I'm going to put it on 420 minutes. Now, should I put it on bake? Oh, I guess I should. All right, I'm going to get this stuff off of here and get around to how I want to put this in the oven, and I'll bring y'all back and let you know. Okay, y'all. All right, so here is it's been in there for about 10 minutes now, and I took it out and I put some cheese on it. Y'all know I don't really like a lot of cheese, so it doesn't have very much on there. But it's got the potatoes. I tasted it just now, and the potatoes have already gotten warm. And here is the Brussels sprouts. I just put them in the frying pan that I had used for the hamburger and onions. All right, let me see if I can get this. Gosh, this is heavy, y'all. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. So it's in there. Let me turn the light on. Oh, it's been in there for almost 14 minutes. And I think by the time that this cheese melts, I think it's going to take another 10 minutes. And by then it should be pretty, heated up because the only thing, well, I put the corn in with the hamburger, so really the only thing that has to cook is the potatoes have to get warm and the cheese has to melt. So I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all. All right, I'm back. My dinner is ready. I cannot wait to taste it. Here is let me show you this. There is the casserole dish full. I don't know I'm sure that I don't know who I'll give this to, because today is Saturday, so. All right. That's chicken. Chicken and mashed potatoes. Let's see what this tastes like. Okay, y'all. I might do this chicken with the hamburger. It's really good. Maybe I need to start like freezing one piece of chicken, and then when I want to make the shepherd's pie, break up the chicken and get cook the hamburger with it too, because it is really good. And here's my leftover Brussels sprouts. This is so good. Way good. Okay, so I've got the hamburger. It was 1.25 pounds of ground chuck with an onion, a small to medium onion, the chicken, the can of corn drained, the mashed potatoes, and then the cheese on top, sharp cheddar cheese. Oh, no. Well, my dog will have that piece of cheese. Oh, well. Come here, sugar. 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 Come here, one piece of cheese. Come here. Come here. Get this. Get it. I can't turn my camera around on her, but she sure did eat it. She ate every bite of it. It's my garbage disposal. My dog is my garbage disposal. But I've been finding out things. She can't have bananas. I didn't know that. She can't have grapes. But I have been giving her treats. And all the years that I've had her, I don't know why. I just never have given my animals treats. And now I give Sugar one, and she gets so excited. All right, y'all. This is so good. I'll have the recipe down below. The chicken and the potatoes. The chicken, the potatoes, and the Brussels sprouts were leftovers. All the rest was not. And I just put it together and made this. And this hit the spot. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also below, there are links to different things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase on Amazon. And I really hope that y'all have a wonderful Sunday. And I will talk to you later. Bye.